Right now, it is the calm before the storm. In about 3 hours, this place is going to be busting at the seams with lots of grandchildren and adults, and everybody's going to be talking loud, and it is going to be fantastic. I have a very special sponsor today, and their package couldn't have arrived at a better time. I want to thank the original Murdick's Fudge for sponsoring today's video. I definitely plan on sharing this fudge today, but before the kids arrive, I'm going to hide one in my bedroom to make sure I have one when everybody else goes home. Original Murdick's Fudge is the original fudge shop on Mackinac. I love that it is family owned and handmade since 1887. Can you believe that? 1887!
Wow.
Doesn't that look
Yes.
fun? They can give you
Look at the artwork.
Chocolate mint.
I know it.
I'll subscribe to that.
The box is so cute.
So pretty. Does that look yummy?
Does he look like a little? He knows how to open these.
You gonna take a big bite?
Great big bite. It's yummy.
Tomorrow.
Hot Grandma. Say one person. One more, Grandma.
All original Murdick's Fudge ships fresh from Mackinac Island, an oasis off the coast of Michigan. The original Murdick's Fudge is made with all natural ingredients and always gluten-free. Head to originalmurdicksfudge.com/Griffiths and use promo code Griffiths for $5 flat shipping on orders of 45 or more.
Not enough of Tommy.
Oh, look at Boston. Look at Boston.
Can I take a bite?
Take a bite. Sure.
Yeah.
Gnaw on that thing. Holy cow.
That's a mint.
Cut me a little slice of that.
The original Murdick's Fudge is a great gift idea for the holidays. Who does not like fudge? I don't know anybody that does not like fudge. Yeah. What are you doing out here, guys?
Haircuts. Okay, so I find where their part is going to be first.
Linda, should we get Amelia to smile? Huh? Let's see if we can get Amelia to smile.
Smell, honey. Just smell.
So give us a smile.
Sit down.
So go now.
You smell it.
Cute, cute little thing. You're so cute. Yes, you are. You're just a cute baby.
I know what you like me.
Walking up.
Watch out, watch out, watch out. It's so
Did you travel a long way to get to Grandma's?
Yeah, we don't get
And look how smart your mama was to have you travel in your pajamas. So when you got here, you're all ready for bed, but you don't have to go to bed yet, do you?
Yes, but I just have red.
Okay. Sure cute.
half an hour on the drive.
Honey, are you just about done?
I am almost done. This pile represents 7 haircuts.
Goodness,
It's a lot of hair,
that is.
but everyone's gonna be looking ready for Thanksgiving.
Well, you saved them a fortune tonight.
Yeah, where's my money?
No? No. Dad's turn. Look.
Yay!
Oh,
Good to see you.
Feel your arms.
I know my hands are freezing. I was working too hard.
Oh, Bonnie.
Did you at least have shoes on?
I did,
Oh,
yeah.
good.
Oh, Bonnie Clark.
I want to know where you got that.
shaking.
You got it from the M. The bone. Oh, the bone. So mad if Lincoln did it again. Okay. Oh, came out. Hi.
Just like putting stuff in your hair.
Lincoln, show me what you have.
This.
Did you put that
I
in
don't
the
It was an accident.
Do you remember last time happened at the baby bar?
This is our job. When Riley doesn't care about his memory, it happens to the best of them. Except for this
You two playing nicely? You two play nicely now.
He took mine. Oh! You didn't go too high.
Well, we all just made a mad dash to the basement because somebody came up screaming that Lucy had a helicopter wrapped in her hair, and a week ago, or a couple weeks ago, they had the same issue and they had to cut her hair really short. So anyway, all turned out well. The helicopter is not full of hair.
The baby. Do you like that baby? She's crying.
What happened?
She's just so sad. Do you want a baby? Do you want a baby girl?
Yes.
Oh, she's sad.
Well, if we haven't got enough going on in the kitchen, we're in the middle of freeze drying some onions. I'll show you.
I mean, this each of us kids ate a little piece of it, and it was like really weird. But then
Turn the water off.
tasting an onion. And
Not eat a lot. I didn't eat a tiny bit. I ate a lot.
Oh, you did? Oh, so for dinner tonight, I think I've showed you already, we had chili and cinnamon rolls because I am not going to cook supper tonight. We're going to be cooking all day tomorrow. This room really smells of onion. This is the dehydrator that Jared and Ellie let us borrow, and we are doing our, ooh, that's warm. I'll show you.
I'm offended.
Is that good, Cooper? Is that good?
you got it. You got it, Mom. What the hell? Look what I just got.
My darling daughter's doing in the kitchen. Ooh.
Not bad. Huh?
No, not bad.
Growing up, Julie always made the pies. Did I? Yeah, I did. And I feel like I'm getting there now.
It's sticking a little bit, huh?
So Ellie, why did you girls get me a
Well,
new
I
one?
just got another rolling pin out, and it just it's rusted.
It's been that
It's
way
a goner.
forever.
We're just gonna do it
Out
this
with
way.
the old, in with the new.
Hey, Grandpa. Linda, you got the moves, girl. I know.
That was the best experience of my life. It's like one No one ever really sees their face because he's like 5'9". Want to hold your baby when they're new. You're so funny.
And I figure about 20 on each, 24 on each is what you'll get.
Okay.
So there's enough grease on here.
What, she's never even
You can
stepped
grease
foot
your
in the plant.
fingers and then it won't stick.
No, that was yours, Emma. I didn't put that on there.
Yes, you did.
That was Grandma.
Which one's Grandma's, Emma? Point to it. Well, you know, Grandma's getting old and shaky, so that doesn't surprise me one bit.
Yeah, kind
She's
of like
not
grandma,
getting old and
kind of like grandma pooped in the tub. When Emma was a little girl, little, we took a bath together. I had to hurry and whisk her out of the tub, and she looked down and says, "Grandma, why did you remove me from the tub?"
Wait, is this one a painting?
She's good at blaming other people.
Is this one Mom?
She was flying back from Kansas City with my mom? And she peed her pants on
Yeah.
the plane and she woke up and she was like, Grandma, you spilled apple juice on me. So you don't have the double I'm just gonna...
Emily makes the best yams in the world.
Thank you.
And the best carrot cake.
Oh, thank you.
I think the little girls' rolls turned out beautiful.
See, you can't go wrong.
Yep.
Well, I do know
They've all got a little bit of personality.
I dropped my butter. Okay. I forgot to film the carving the turkey.
Well.
You're okay. I'm over here butchering it.
Well, it looks really pretty.
Yeah.
Linda, how come you're the only one with a soda pop?
I do. My mouth is dry.
Oh, her mouth is dry.
She's the oldest. Does she get to eat her Thanksgiving dinner first? She always does.
She's expressing her disappointment with wonderful grace and maturity.
Turn her. What's she sad about, Emily?
The beets.
She didn't want a beet?
She was disappointed.
Disappointed with it.
Mom, we should have brought my books. Mom, we should have brought my books. We have eaten about as much as we can stomach,
And we are going to sit down and watch ourselves a movie and say goodnight to you all and thank you and happy Thanksgiving to everybody and thanks for watching. And this is what's left of my crew here tonight.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.